I can say that 50 Marketing is very professional. They come across as very professional. They follow through very professionally, and everything has a purpose and there's a guide to it. So it has helped tremendously in this little project that we're doing with ITEN as far as supplying answers, giving us deadlines, and following through with everything. Yes, there is value being added here because ITEN has never historically been a business to business. We do things the old-fashioned way. We go out and call on customers. We meet with buyers and develop business along that aspect versus everything going through the computer and a business to business aspect of that. Well, honestly, I can tell you that ITEN team really didn't have any idea about what to expect out of here, but everybody that has left after the interview has been very grateful, very pleased with the experience. You presented it very well, and I appreciate all of that. So I think they all learned, and and them learning what we're trying to do here is beneficial to ITEN, and that's the whole goal. Oh yes, so when I started, you would visit the buyer, and the buyer knew exactly what parts they were buying from ITEN Industries, what the parts looked like, what the part numbers were, everything along the line, what the parts were made out of. They understood the exact parts that they had to buy. Now, buyers look at a computer screen, there's a part number, there's a supplier you're supposed to buy it from, there might be an alternate supplier, and they call up, but they have no idea really what that part is. They know a part number because it's just a computer-generated item. So that whole business aspect has changed. The last few visits, we had to they bring the list, and we had to go out and look for what our parts were because we knew what parts we were supplying, but they didn't know what parts they were buying. They, again, knew the part numbers just because that's the part numbers on a computer. So the B2B business is happening. We just have to get up to date with all that stuff. Definitely the internet has changed everything, and it has changed everything in our lifestyles now. 20 years ago, no one would walk around with a cell phone in their pocket and studying the cell phones and looking at them for 7 hours a day, right? And that's lifestyle now, and that's the new way to purchase everything is online. So, yeah, in my lifetime, I never thought we'd see this, but it's here, it's happening, and it just continues to grow. So, business to business that's just the way life's going to be. Right. Looking forward to seeing how all this fits together. I'm looking forward to see what the future brings with it also. So thanks for coming out, and thanks for interviewing the people and doing this first step. Appreciate it. Thank you.